Welcome to COHO. Today we're going to be talking about how you can invite your tenants to the system so they have access to their My COHO dashboard. The most efficient way of inviting all of your tenants to the system is to go to the occupancy panel, which is on your main portfolio page. If you scroll down to the bottom, there is a button to invite all tenants. It will do a mass invite to every tenant across the portfolio. You will need to ensure that you have entered email addresses and mobile phone numbers for those links to go through to your tenants. There are, of course, other places that you can invite tenants to the system. For example, if you are onboarding a new tenant, they need access to the system to be able to join you on that onboarding workflow. At the point that you submit the basic details about the onboarding, when you start it, they will get a link to join and be automatically invited to the system. If you're just manually adding a tenant into the system, once you've added their tenancy information, there is an option to invite the tenant to join COHO. As long as you have correctly entered their email and phone number, they will receive an invite to join.